Are you wondering if you can receive calls on these P9 headphones? So yep, I have some great news. You can both receive calls and also make a call to the last number basically called on this headphone. So they actually have internal microphone as well, but the microphone quality actually isn't the best. So when someone actually calls you, it will basically ring actually in your headphones and you'll be able to very easily to hear them. So if you want to answer the call, you simply have to press this like button number 2 basically from the top shortly once, like click, and the call will get answered. So if you want to end the call, simply again click it once. So but if someone is calling you and you want to deny the call, you have to again this button click and hold it for a few seconds, and the call will get basically dismissed. Also, if you want to call your last number that basically you were calling on your phone, then all you have to do is double press this call button. So like quickly double press it and it will start a call to the basically like last like contact that you called on your phone. Also, here is basically all the manual sheet basically if you do not have it anymore. So you can pause it and see how you can do this stuff basically over here. Okay. By the way, again, the microphone quality, yeah, it isn't really the best, but still, yeah, obviously you can understand very well when someone calls you, but again, the microphone quality, it's not really the best at all on these cheap headphones. Anyway, good luck.